Alright, this video deals with coefficients and how to read them. A coefficient is a large number in front of a chemical formula. So for example, H2O, our famous water, and let's say we put a 3 here. This is my coefficient. What does this mean? It means we've got 3 molecules of H2O. That's what it means. Or we have 3 times H2O. So let's see if we can figure out how many elements and atoms. So what are our elements here? Okay. Well, what elements are there? Well, the elements are the letters. I have one H. I've got H and I've got an O. Those are my elements. Now, how many atoms of each? Well, if this is 3 times what this is, then I need to multiply it out. Remember, we said that our subscript always goes with the element in front of it. So if I have H2 times 3, then I must have 6 hydrogen. We have 1 oxygen present here. 3 times my 1 gives me 3. So that's basically how to work using coefficients. Now, let's say we have coefficients in a formula, or excuse me, not a formula, but an equation. We're going to list an equation. We have 4Fe plus 3O2 yields 2Fe2O3. Alright, looks complicated, but it is not, I promise you. So first of all, we have 4Fe. This coefficient only goes with this because here's a symbol that separates it from the rest of the stuff. The 3 only goes with this because here's another symbol that separates it from the rest of this stuff. This 2, however, is in front of this whole chemical formula. So this 2 will actually go with this whole formula. Alright, before we go any further, we need to label our equation. This is my reactants, and they yield products. Okay, so let's look at that. So we are looking at 4Fe. So this means we've got 4 times Fe. So Fe is equal to how many? This is 1. Remember, this is 1 element, capital letter, small lowercase letter. So we got 4 times 1 is 4. We've got 4Fe. Here's another element. It's oxygen. We had 2, but then we got a coefficient here that says multiply this by this. So that gives us 6 oxygen. And on the product side, we're going to list our elements again. Elements. Okay, so we have 2 times whatever's in here already, because that's what our coefficient is telling us to do, right? So 2 times 2Fe makes 4Fe. And here we had 3 oxygen. 2 times those 3 gives us 6 oxygen. So that's how you would work with coefficients and subscripts in a chemical reaction. Now let's take it one step further. Is this balanced? Well, are they all equal? Are all the atoms of every element equal on both sides? Yes, so this makes this chemical equation a balanced equation.